Want to disable your YouTube app on your phone? In today's video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, find the YouTube app on your device. Now, press and hold on the app icon. From the options that appear, tap on the App Info icon. This will open the app settings page. Here, look for the Disable option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Simply tap on Disable app to confirm. That's it. Your YouTube app will now be disabled and won't run on your phone. If you ever want to enable it again, you can go back to the same settings and tap on Enable. And that's it. That's how you can easily disable YouTube on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.